Morning all. I've got a few questions about this one, which is 6D. Sorry I didn't get to it earlier. It was a very, very big weekend this weekend. But anyway, it is now Monday morning. And as you can see, it's 6:08 a.m. apparently. Let's give this a go. So, with these ones, surface area of right prisms, you are finding all the area of each of the faces. So, first thing you can do, you can draw the diagram for them. Or you can just separate them into their sides and work them out. I'm going to just very quickly label how many sides there are so I know what's there. Okay, so I've got this, there's me. I've got this side over here, which is 1. I have the base, which is 2. I have the side on the left, which is 3. I have the top, which is 4. Then I have the front and the back. So I have 6 sides in total. Now, the front and the back are trapeziums, but we haven't been given a perpendicular height. So using our formula, we can't really do that. But luckily, they've given us that. So I know that my surface area is going to be 2 times 88. So that's the front and the back done. Then I'm going to, and I'm just going to put it in brackets just so I know I've covered each side. The next one is going to be this side here, which is going to be 25 by 10. The next one is going to be, let's do the top, which is 5. Actually, I'll go 25. Oop. Hang on 2 seconds. My pen has decided to run out of charge. So I just have to quickly plug it in. When I say quickly, I mean I'm going to take a long time because I have to get it out of my bag and I got the wrong thing out. It's a long story, doesn't it? All right. Just plugging the stylus in. Done. What were we saying? Yes. I remember. So this one is the top, and that's 25 by 5. Then we have this side over here, which is 25 by 10. So it happens to be the same as this one over here, but I didn't do it as 2 of them because I hadn't looked to see if it was an isosceles trapezium, and I thought, hey, it doesn't really matter. And then the last one I'm going to do is the bottom, which is 25 by 17. So as we talked about in class, the 25 is common to all of them because all of those, if you cut that and opened it out, you'd end up with all 4 of those sides having the 25 on them. So if I have a look, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's the rectangles. They've all got the 25 as one of their dimensions. So if I then did that, so I've got 6 sides. I've got the 4 sides plus the 2 by 88, which is the front and back. So let's go. 2 by 8. Oh, this screen on this computer is no longer working as well as it used to. But that's all right. We'll get there. So I'm just entering into the calculator all of those dimensions. Last one, 17. And that gives me 1,226 centimeters squared. So that's the basics of it. You work out which sides, how many faces there are. And the other thing is you can always work out, because you've got the front and the back. Okay, you have the front and the back, so you know there's 2 there. But then if the front shape has 4 sides, you're going to have 4 faces in addition to the front and the back. Okay, when we get to B, I have a shape at the front that has, oh wow, I have a shape at the front that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. So I'm going to have a front and a back plus those 5 faces. So that means there's going to be 7 in total. Okay, and when I get over to F, I'm going to have a look, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to have 8 faces on that one. We'll talk about that one when we get to it. Okay, but that is the basics of it. Cheers, guys.